In South Vietnam alone, it has been said that some areas were so devastated that they looked like the surface of the moon. The environmental desecration was immense. Between the campaign of carpet bombing and the spraying of 18 million gallons of toxic defoliants over some 6 million acres, as much as half of all agricultural crops were destroyed. South Vietnam was, before the war, one of the largest rice exporters in the world. During the war, the country was forced to import 1 million tons of rice per year, but that amount was still not enough to stave off hunger and starvation. The spraying of poisonous chemicals, along with the bulldozing of 1,200 square miles of territory, was ostensibly done to prevent the Viet Cong from using the jungle as cover. But the South Vietnamese countryside was so degraded in the process, and so many villages destroyed, that nearly 4 million refugees were displaced from the rural ancestral farms and hamlets where these people had lived for generations. This was about 1/4 of the entire population. They sought refuge on the outskirts of cities in a vain effort to find relief from the violence and the hardship. Makeshift refugee camps sprang up in and around Saigon, for example, that had to accommodate a monthly influx of tens of thousands of Vietnamese displaced by the war, and do so without effective sanitation, transportation, housing, or jobs. In these sprawling shanty towns, conditions rapidly deteriorated.